Hello everyone. Shri Jawaharlal Dada Education Societies, Yavatmal Public School welcomes you to the digital world. Welcome to YouTube channel YPS Back to Class. Please like and share our videos and subscribe the channel. Hello everyone. Welcome to YPS Back to Class. Myself Priti Popat from Yavatmal Public School. Through this video, I will teach you one interesting part of mathematics, that is three-dimensional shape or solid shape. So let us explore three-dimensional shapes or solid shape. There are different types of solid shapes such as prism, cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder, sphere. Let us learn all these one by one. So first we learn about prism. A prism is three-dimensional solid with two congruent bases that lie in parallel planes, one directly above the other and with edges connecting the corresponding vertices of the bases. The bases can be any shape and the name of the prism is based on the name of the bases. For example, the prism shown here is a triangular prism. This is the 3D view of triangular prism. In this triangular prism, the two bases are triangles. So let us learn what is triangular prism. A triangular prism is a polyhedron, a 3D shape with flat surface that has 5 faces or that flat surface. It has 6 vertices or corners and 9 edges. 3 of the faces of the triangular prism are rectangles and the 2 faces are triangles. Also, in geometry, a triangular prism is a three-sided prism. It is a polyhedron made of triangular base, a translated copy, and 3 faces joining corresponding sides. Now, let us see how many number of faces a triangular prism having. This is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. That means a triangular prism having 5 faces. Now let us check how many number of edges a triangular prism having. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means a triangular prism having 9 edges. Now let us count number of vertices a triangular prism having. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. That means a triangular prism having 6 vertices. The volume of a prism is found by multiplying the area of its base by its height. So the formula for the volume of a triangular prism is half into B into H into L, where B is the base of a triangle, H is length of an altitude, L is distance between the triangular faces. Now let us learn about another solid shape, that is cuboid. A cuboid is a convex polyhedron bounded by 6 quadrilateral faces whose graph is same as that of cube. A cuboid having 6 rectangular faces, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That means a cuboid having 6 rectangular faces where opposite faces are equal. Now let us count total number of edges a cuboid having. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means a cuboid having total 12 edges. Now let us count number of vertices a cuboid having. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. That means a cuboid having 8 vertices. Now let us learn few formulas related to cuboid. First formula for the volume of the cuboid is L into W into H, where L is the length of the cuboid, W is the width and H is the height. Now second formula is for total surface area of cuboid, and that is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Next formula is for the diagonal of cuboid, and that is under root a square plus b square plus c square, where a is length of the cuboid, b is the breadth of the cuboid and c is the height of the cuboid. Next solid shape is cube. A cube is a three-dimensional solid object bounded by 6 square faces with 3 equal dimensions, such as length is equals to width is equals to height. The cube is the only convex polyhedron whose faces are all squares. A cube has 6 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 edges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 8 vertices: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Few examples of cube are dice, ice cube, Rubik's cube, piece of cheese. Now let's explore few formulas related to cube. So the first one is for the volume of the cube, and that is a cube, where a is the length of the edge. Next one, surface area of cube, that is 6a square, where a is the length of edge. Now the next solid shape is cylinder. A cylinder is three-dimensional solid, contains two parallel bases connected by a curved surface. Cylinder has 3 faces. 2 of them are flat, while the third one is curved. The bases are usually circular in shape. The perpendicular distance between bases is denoted as the height h of the cylinder, and r is the radius of cylinder. Now let's see the formula for the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Height of the cylinder is denoted by h. Radius of circular base is denoted by r. Now the next interesting solid shape is cone. A cone is three-dimensional geometric shape that tapers smoothly from a flat base to a point called the apex or vertex. A cone has 2 faces. One of them is flat and circular, while the other one is curved. Cone has one circular edge and one vertex. Few examples of cone are ice cream cone, birthday hat. Volume of the cone can be derived by the formula, that is 1 by 3 into pi r square h, where h is the height of a cone, r is the radius of a circular base of a cone. Now the last solid shape is sphere. A sphere is a geometric object in three-dimensional space. Sphere has neither any edges nor vertices. It has only one curved surface. Examples related to spheres are basketball, marbles. Now, formula for the volume of the sphere can be derived as 4 by 3 into pi r cube, where r is radius of sphere. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel.